Kiama kia mahenya guku bururi-ini Athletics Kenya nimateriirie mihango ya gucagura timu ya bururi na iria ratanyitwo kuhanika muthia wa kiumia giki.
We had planned, for example, to have our trials for the Commonwealth this coming week on the 20th and 21st. But because of certain challenges and concerns, we have had to, as the President Noc-K said, we have had to combine with the World Championship trials.
Itua riri rikinyanirio na ni thutha wa giikaro kia hamwe na kiama kia NOCK na kuria ucagurani wa athaki aria makanyita itemi mbitika-ini cia Commonwealth mwena wa Birmingham undumwe na mbitika cia World Championships Oregon ucagurani uyu ukahanika mweri twerekeire wa gatandatu.
But when it comes to Commonwealth and maybe other events like the All African Games and the Olympics, we organize the team, but we hand over to NOCK. So it is still one and the same.
So I want to say that as we will be doing, unlike before, that we used to have the Commonwealth or Olympic Games differently, but this one we are matching with World Championships, as he has said, because of the challenges that we have had before, and these things are coming close to each other. So we decided maybe to do it together, and we have one team going forward.
Ni itua riukite kuona mbitika ici ni cikuhaniriirie undu uria waumanire na king'uki gia COVID-19 na uguo athaki aingi makanyita itemi mbitika-ini cia iria citiganite na kahinda kanini.
The only team that will not be the same is the marathon team. Because you see the difference is only about 1.5 weeks between the end of World Championship and the beginning of the Commonwealth, and so the marathoners will not have recovered enough.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Kuria wa Gĩcimu.